Can the seller pay the buyer's closing costs? Yes, the seller can pay your closing costs up to a certain percentage. And don't be afraid to ask. You can always ask the sellers to help and pay for your closing costs. You just have to make sure that that the value is still there, right? So when you are going through the process and getting financing put in place, you still have to order the appraisal, so don't go too high, and the appraisal still has to come in and support the value on the sales contract, right? So and there's two times you can really ask for money towards closing costs. You ask the seller with the initial offer when you're submitting the offer. You can ask them for $5,000-$6,000 towards closing costs, for example, or later after the inspection. Those are the only two times you can really ask for money towards closing costs. Let's say you did the inspection and you want to go back after the inspector came out there, and you want to ask the sellers to repair or get new carpeting in the house. And you can, instead of doing that, depending on the time frame, maybe the sellers don't have the time or the funds and just don't want to really mess with it, you can ask for a $5,000 or $6,000 credit towards the carpet. So you can do that after the inspection. After that, you can't go back and ask for money towards closing costs. And when it comes to different type of loans that you might be getting on the house, there are different maximum allowable seller concessions or seller credit. Okay, so a first-time home buyer with an FHA loan with minimum down can get up to 6% back towards closing costs. A VA loan can get allows us to do a 4% max towards closing costs, seller concessions, and then on a conventional, if you're doing minimum down 3-5%, you can get 3% back towards closing costs, or if you're doing 10% down, you can even ask them for 6% towards closing costs. So I hope this helps. Let me know if you have any other questions, and don't forget to subscribe. My name is Oreziak, OurFavoriteLender.com, and thank you for watching Home Buying Made Easy. I'll see you in the next video.